Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Facebook account. Typically, I would walk through the entire process with my own account, but because Facebook doesn't allow temporary accounts, I will go through this tutorial without any account. Let's go. Now, if you're still logged into your Facebook account and you know that the hacker is currently in your account, change your password as soon as possible, as changing your password will lock the hacker out of your account. Now, if you're logged out, you can try to access Facebook from another device or browser that you already may be logged into, as although you may be locked out of one session, you can still maybe access Facebook from another session. So if you're still logged in, be sure to change your password as soon as possible. Now, if you're locked out of all devices, it's time to reset your password. Some things to note is that the account may not actually be hacked, it could just be a lost password. And another reason for the lockout could be all the hacker did was change the password, which means all you have to do is just change it back. So to reset your password, all you want to do is go to Forgotten Account, and you want to enter either your email address, phone number, or your name. So we'll use bob@gmail.com since I don't have an account. And as you can see, it would say send a code to Bob, or also if you use an @gmail.com email, you can send, well, not send, but you can use your Google account. You can actually log into your Google account, log in through Facebook, and then reset your password that way once you get back into your account. And if you couldn't find your account using your account information, then there's a high probability that your account was hacked and your information was changed. When investigating whether or not your account was actually hacked, I recommend the first thing you do is check your public profile. So here we're going to use Mark Zuckerberg as an example. So when you're looking through your public profile, you just want to look for anything out of place, anything that was added, anything that was removed, like your about section, your friends, your photos, anything that was just out of place. And if you find anything out of place, there's a pretty big sign that your account was hacked. You should also check for emails from Facebook about new logins, an email change, phone number or 2FA removed, or recent changes to the account you didn't do. If you don't see any of those emails, be sure to check your spam and trash folder. If you are sure that your account was hacked, chances are that a hacker got into your email and deleted the evidence, most likely because your email password and your Facebook password were similar or the same. So in that case, you would need to also change your email password and secure your email account. If you received an email from Facebook about an email change, be sure to verify that it's actually coming from Facebook. A way you can tell is by this checkmark on Gmail, Yahoo, or Apple Mail. Also by the Facebook logo. These things tell you that it's officially coming from Facebook. I also have on the screen now all of the official Facebook addresses that emails are sent from. We want to verify the source of the email to avoid any phishing attacks that may be sent from the hacker or from anybody else to try and steal more information from you or do more damage. If the email doesn't officially come from Facebook, do not engage with it, just delete it, because we don't want to cause any further damage than what's already been caused. And if you have verified that the email is legit, you can click the link in the email to change the email back to your email address, and remember to reset your password after changing the email back. If you don't see any emails from Facebook to change your Facebook account back to the original email, go to facebook.com/hacked. It's also on your screen and in the description as well. Be sure to access this site through a device or browser that you logged into Facebook before. Now, once you're on the site, you want to click on My Account is Compromised. and then you want to go ahead and enter your email address, just like how you were doing it when you were trying to reset your password. And then it will ask you to recover your account right here. Now, obviously this is not my account, and also I didn't access this account through this browser, so it's actually going to stop me if I try to. So you need to access this from a device that you already have. After you continue, it will ask you to type in either your email or your phone number, and after that it will send a code via either one of those two methods. But since you do not have access to anything, it will also ask you if you want to send a notification to another device, but you want to click try another way. Then you want to find the option named need another option, and there should be a hypertext named account recovery. Here you'll have to provide Facebook with your email or your phone number and upload your government ID. Ideally, you should use an email or phone number that was linked to your Facebook account for the strongest case. After submitting your request, look out for a message from Facebook on your email or on your WhatsApp, depending on what you gave them on the status of your account. To end it off, here are some tips on securing your Facebook account. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Enable login alerts. Enable safe browsing. Check and complete the security checkup. Use Facebook Protect. Keep your apps updated. And revoke any unknown sessions you're logged into. If you followed the steps throughout this video and you still haven't recovered your Facebook account, we do offer a paid service to help you recover your social media and email accounts. You can book an appointment down below or visit the site on the screen now to book an appointment today. We do not ask for any personal information or passwords. We just guide you through the recovery process. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.